This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half.
Wins the ball. Rodriguez. Oh, that pass could have been better. A strong tackle. A misplaced pass. Tactical change here then.
Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. It's a throw-in. Picked up by the defender.
They want to add to their lead here. What a chance! It didn't trouble the keeper. Passed well.
Won the ball.
It's opened up. Good past the keeper. A goal from the substitute. Bringing him on was surely the right decision. It's a tactical change here then. He got that all wrong. He's speeding ahead. Surely now. It was one-on-one, but the goalkeeper closed him down.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Ah, quality defending there. A careless pass there. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. They're moving the ball forward. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. He's hit it long. He misjudged the pass. Safely collected by the keeper.
Back towards the centre.
Will we see a goal? Elastic save. The keeper saved a certain goal.
Short corner taken.
What an opportunity! The keeper blocks the shot.
Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal kick.
That 2-0 was quite simple for them. A relaxed and comfortable victory. He gets the Player of the Match award, fully deserved. He was unstoppable today.